Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete and remove all likes on Instagram. So if you want to redo or delete all like posts on Instagram, you can try to access the archive. So all you have to do now, you can go to your profile, then tap three strap at the top of your screen. Then this is the settings and activity page. You can try to tap on your activity here, and here we go. This is your interactions, one place to manage your activity. Then you can tap on likes. Here all the liked posts, and in order to delete and remove all likes on Instagram, you can try to select one by one, and you can try to tap on unlike. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.